Hi, I'm Saibal Sen and welcome to this 6-part series in learning and getting certified in consulting skills. The learning objectives here is to teach you a structured methodology for solving business problems. And we're going to do that by teaching you some tools, techniques, and methods that leading consultants use for problem solving and solution development. All 6 modules are available free of charge on our website at www.zenesis.org. On our website, you will also find a dedicated discussion and additional material for all 6 modules. We welcome your questions and comments on our website. In the first part, we're going to cover a short background of how we developed this program. Next, we'll show you a roadmap of different levels of certification and how they relate to each other. Thirdly, we'll give you a short overview of the consulting industry. There are many books on consulting, but none talk about an end-to-end process on how to take a systematic approach to deliver a consulting engagement. These books talk about tools such as initial hypothesis, frameworks, methodologies, and guesstimates, but nowhere can we find how they all fit together in solving a business issue from start to finish. We have put in several person years into this unique program, so needless to say, you will not find something like this anywhere else, at least not in the near future. This program is a culmination of our personal experience, assimilation of industry best practices, and refinement via numerous on-site training workshops at reputed global consulting firms. There are 3 fundamental core competencies in consulting that needs to be developed. They are behavior, abilities, and tasks. Behavior comes from a professional code of conduct and the practice of a very high standard in ethics. Consulting is a people-intensive business, and as such, you'll soon find out that to survive, your professionalism and ethical values are going to be pushed to the limit. Consultants need to be natural-born analytical thinkers and problem solvers. With the help of the tools and techniques, we'll show you how this can be easily mastered. But be aware, there are no shortcuts. You'll soon find out why consultants work a high burn rate of 60 to 70 hours a week. The bulk of consultant tasks are in research, analysis, and solution development. We'll teach you some simple but very powerful tools on how to take a systematic approach to solving these tasks. The training program is split into 3 levels. Level 1 is about learning the tools and methods, and this is level 1 that you're currently going through right now. There are 5 more lectures like this one before you can attempt a quiz. More about the quiz a little later. Level 2 is about practicing the tools and methods you're learning right now. In level 2, we provide you with a project to work on. Level 3 is about getting first-hand experience in a real-life client engagement. After level 3, you have the option to work with us as a paid consultant. If there is a conflict with your employer, you can work with us on a pro bono basis to get consulting experience. After listening and digesting all 6 modules, you must take a quiz to qualify for level 2. Formerly, we had a quiz for each module. Now, we have consolidated the quizzes into a single unit. Here is the lineup of the 6 modules in Level 1. Module 1 is Introduction and Industry Overview, the one that you're listening to right now. Module 2 is about professionalism and ethics. You'll see some interesting case studies in the quiz that will challenge your analytical mind. Module 3 is on issue analysis. Here you'll learn about the initial hypothesis, the equivalent of a Swiss Army knife for a consultant. Module 4 is about using frameworks, guesstimates, and methodologies. You'll find some great examples to illustrate how to fit into the overall structured problem-solving process. Module 5 will show you techniques in solution development and writing consulting-style reports. And we have saved the best for the last. Do you know that selling consulting services is considerably more challenging compared to selling products? Why so? And how can you master it? Well, let's wait till we get to Module 6 and we'll show you some neat solutions. In this section, we'll talk about the consulting industry. We will give you some insight as to why consulting is about to become a high-growth industry. Exactly what is consulting and what is the difference between technical consulting and business consulting? What are the different stages in consulting? And finally, what would be some examples of business or management consulting engagements? There are 4 key drivers for demand in consulting skills. These days, clients are looking for end-to-end solutions. A bank, for instance, is unlikely to ask for a CRM or customer relationship management system. Rather, they are likely to ask consultants to solve a customer retention issue. The difference is that we need to give them all the piece parts of the solution. Which CRM? How will it fit their front office and back office operations? What will be the impact on other IT systems?